we'll guide you through how to use Zapier to integrate with Google Calendar. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website and log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up. Once you're in, click on the Create Zap button at the top left corner of your dashboard. You'll see a search bar labeled Trigger, where you need to type in Google Calendar and select it. Next, choose the specific trigger event you want to automate, like New Event or Event Start. After that, click Continue. You'll be prompted to connect your Google Calendar account if you haven't done so already. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Zapier the necessary permissions. Once connected, select the specific calendar you want to automate tasks for. Hit Continue again. Now, you need to set up the action part of your Zap. Click on the Action search bar and choose the app you want to connect with Google Calendar, for example, Slack or Trello. Choose the action event that should follow your trigger, like sending a message or creating a card. Connect the chosen app account if it's not already linked, and configure any additional settings required. Click Continue. Zapier will ask you to test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. Follow the prompts to run the test and check if the action occurs as expected. If everything looks good, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Your Zap will now run automatically whenever the trigger event happens in Google Calendar. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.